How to set up a WeChat wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set up the WeChat wallet, it is quite a simple process. So let's start with it. First of all, open WeChat on your device. After that, log in with your credentials. Then after, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Here you will see 4 such different options from where you have to select on the money option. This should now take you to another page from where you will have to agree and read the payment user service agreement. After that, you should be able to enable the wallet feature. However, before that you might have to add a card. So add the bank card details, and then next step would be to verify your identity. For this, you require ID card, real name authentication, and proceed to verify your identity. This requires name, gender, ID type, ID number, effective date, expiration date, occupation, and address. Once the setup is completed, your WeChat wallet is now ready to use. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.